Hello everyone, and welcome back to Unmute English. Congratulations! You got the job. Now it's your very first day at work. You meet new people, you introduce yourself, you ask questions, and of course, you want to speak English confidently. In today's lesson, we'll practice useful English conversations for your first day at work. I'll guide you step by step. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. And let's get started. Imagine you've just arrived at your new office. The receptionist smiles and says, "Good morning. Welcome to Bright Tech Solutions." A natural reply is, "Good morning. Thank you. It's nice to be here." Repeat after me. Good morning. Thank you. It's nice to be here. Excellent. The receptionist asks, "Is today your first day?" You reply, "Yes, it is. I'm excited to start." Repeat after me. Yes, it is. I'm excited to start. Great job. Instead of saying, "I'm very nervous," try saying, "I'm excited to start." It creates a positive first impression. A few minutes later, your manager walks over and says, "Hello, I'm James, your manager. Welcome to the team." You can answer, "Hello, James. It's a pleasure to meet you." Repeat after me. Hello, James. It's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you for the warm welcome. Wonderful. Your manager says, "Let me show you around the office." You reply, "That would be great. Thank you." These are simple phrases, but they sound polite and professional. Instead of saying, "Okay," try saying, "That would be great." It sounds much more natural in a workplace. Later, one of your colleagues comes over. They say, "Hi, welcome to the team." A friendly reply is, "Hi, thank you. It's great to meet everyone." Repeat after me. Hi. Thank you. It's great to meet everyone. Excellent. Your colleague asks, "Where are you from?" You answer, "I'm from Sri Lanka," or simply replace it with your own country. Then they ask, "What do you enjoy doing in your free time?" A natural answer could be, "I enjoy reading books, learning English, and building websites." Notice how you give more than a one-word answer. That helps the conversation continue naturally. Later in the day, a colleague invites you for a coffee. They say, "Would you like to grab a coffee?" A natural reply is, "Yes, I'd love to. Thank you." Repeat after me. I'd love to. Thank you. Let's go. Excellent. While you're having coffee, your colleague asks, "How are you finding your first day?" You could answer, "It's been really good so far. Everyone has been very friendly. I'm learning a lot already." Don't just answer, "It's good." Instead, add a little more information. For example, "It's been really good so far. I'm enjoying meeting everyone." Longer answers help you sound more confident. At the end of the day, your manager says, "Well done today. I hope you enjoyed your first day." A natural reply is, "Thank you. I really enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to tomorrow." Repeat after me. Thank you. I really enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Fantastic. Let's review today's useful words. Receptionist, the person who welcomes visitors. Colleague, someone you work with. Manager, the person who leads a team. Welcome, to greet someone warmly. Confident, feeling sure of yourself. Repeat each word aloud. Receptionist, colleague, manager. Welcome. Confident. Excellent. What job would you like to have in the future? Answer these questions aloud. How would you introduce yourself on your first day? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? How was your first day at university or work? Remember, don't translate. Think and speak in English. Excellent work today. You learned how to introduce yourself, meet new colleagues, and speak naturally on your first day at work. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to Unmute English. In our next lesson, we'll continue the story with meeting new colleagues and office small talk, where you'll learn how to build natural conversations at work. Until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep improving your English. See you soon.